Here's how to mix orange, green and purple. Let's start with orange. Take some yellow and mix in a tiny amount of magenta or red. Mix it well and you get orange. So beautiful. Next is purple. Mix magenta and blue and you get a vibrant purple. Beautiful. And rinse your brush before switching colors so that your mixes stay clean. And now green. Mix a bit of blue into your yellow, just a tiny amount. Mix it well and you get green. Isn't that absolutely amazing? Now, if you mix all three primary colors together, you get a nice dark, neutral color. And of course, you might want to keep this info for later. So I also created a little PDF download for you, completely free, no strings attached. If you want to have it, the link is in the video description. So beautiful. And if you then go back into your primary colors with whatever's left on your brush, you'll get a few more lovely muted variations. And one last thing. The exact colors you get will always depend on the red, blue and yellow you use. But honestly, that's not so important in the beginning. What really matters is that you actually start mixing. Just try things out and see what mixes you can create with your own colors. Because you know, nothing bad can happen there. All the colors are beautiful, and whatever colors you mix, I am going to love them. So go grab your paints and have a lovely day with lots of color mixing. Bye bye!